Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of healthcare. We're talking about the secrets some doctors might not want you to know. This isn't about pointing fingers, it's about empowering you with knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the system. So buckle up and let's get started. We've all been there, feeling under the weather and hoping for a quick fix. But antibiotics aren't magic bullets. They're often overprescribed, even for viral infections. It's like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Overuse has consequences. It leads to antibiotic resistance, a global health threat. So talk to your doctor and ask questions. Number 2, we tend to think of hospitals as sterile, safe places where we go to get better. And while hospitals are filled with incredibly dedicated healthcare professionals, the reality is, they can also be breeding grounds for infections. Hospitals see a lot of sick people, right? And sometimes those germs can linger on surfaces or even spread through the air. On top of that, medical errors unfortunately happen more often than we'd like to think. That's why it's crucial to be proactive about your health, even in the hospital. Wash your hands frequently, ask questions about your treatment plan, and don't be afraid to speak up if something doesn't feel right. Number 3, ever heard of the placebo effect? It's a fascinating phenomenon where simply believing in a treatment can actually make you feel better, even if the treatment itself is a sugar pill. Think about it, our minds are incredibly powerful. When we expect a positive outcome, our brains release endorphins and other feel-good chemicals that can actually have a real impact on our physical well-being. Now, this isn't to say that all treatments are just placebos, but it does highlight the importance of mindset and the power of belief when it comes to our health. Number 4. Surgery risks. Surgery is a big deal no matter how routine it might seem. But sometimes the risks associated with surgery aren't discussed as openly or thoroughly as they should be. Look, every surgery, even a minor one, carries some level of risk. It's important to remember that complications can happen, and you have the right to be fully informed about those risks before you go under the knife. Don't be afraid to ask your surgeon tough questions. What are the potential complications? How common are they? What are the alternatives to surgery? Remember, it's your body and your health on the line. Number 5. Doctors, not all knowing gods. We often put doctors on a pedestal, and for good reason. They're incredibly intelligent and dedicated individuals. But it's important to remember that doctors are human too, and they don't have all the answers. Medicine is a constantly evolving field, and new research is emerging all the time. Even the best doctors in the world can't keep up with every single study or know everything about every condition, especially rare ones. That's why it's so important to be your own health advocate. Do your research, get second opinions, and don't be afraid to challenge your doctor if you feel something isn't right. Number 6. Food as medicine. Let's talk about nutrition. It's no secret that what we eat has a huge impact on our health. They might prescribe medications without addressing the root cause of the problem, which could sometimes lie in your diet. The right foods can be powerful medicine, helping to prevent and even reverse chronic diseases. Even though we've been taught to believe that fats are fat, they're an essential part of our diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain and heart health. Other health foods include blueberries, apples, avocado, pomegranate, cherries, and kiwi. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Number 7. The insurance game, money talks. Here's a harsh reality. Healthcare decisions aren't always made solely on what's best for the patient. Insurance companies often play a significant role in dictating which treatments are covered and which ones aren't. This can be incredibly frustrating for both patients and doctors. Imagine being denied coverage for a treatment that your doctor believes is essential for your health, simply because it's not deemed medically necessary by the insurance company. It's a complex issue with no easy solutions, but it's important to be aware of the influence of insurance companies and to advocate for yourself if you feel your needs aren't being met. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the overuse of antibiotics to the power of the placebo effect. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. By understanding the ins and outs of the healthcare system, you can make more informed decisions about your treatment, advocate for your needs, and ultimately take control of your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into your health and well-being. Stay informed, stay healthy.